Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a leap in Roblox Studio. We'll start by understanding the core components of player movement. Then, we'll dive into the scripting necessary to create a unique jump. You'll learn how to adjust properties for height and distance, making your character's leap feel just right. Finally, we'll cover how to test and refine your new movement system for optimal gameplay. To implement your custom leap, you'll primarily use a local script. This script will listen for player input, such as pressing the spacebar. When detected, it will apply an upward force to the character's humanoid root part. You can modify the humanoid's jump power property to control the height of the leap, ensuring it aligns with your game's design. Remember to test different values to find the perfect balance. Once the basic leap is working, you can enhance it with visual and audio cues. Adding particle effects or a subtle animation can make the jump feel more impactful. Sound effects provide crucial feedback, letting players know their action was successful. For more dynamic gameplay, explore implementing advanced mechanics like a double jump or a wall jump, offering players exciting new ways to navigate your world. Testing is crucial for any custom movement system. Playtest your leap extensively in different scenarios within your game to identify any issues or areas for improvement. Don't hesitate to iterate on your design, adjusting parameters like jump height, speed, and air control. Gathering feedback from other players can also provide valuable insights, helping you refine the leap to be as smooth and enjoyable as possible.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.